outside snap roll into a lump shavak, head over heels, Czechoslovakian word for headache. Now rolling inverted, get ready for an outside loop. Here he comes. Rolling. Swallow, shoved all the way forward up to the top. He goes 600 foot outside loop. Stick forward. Valuing 3.5 times the force of Now on this next one, we're going to come over to the right and do descending flat spins. So we're going to climb, and at the top of the climb, we're going to get quiet and listen. Stick to the left, order to the right, you get curly cues. Straight up, get ready to get quiet. Listen for the engine, the throttle back. You ready? Here we go. Watch.
Oh yeah, it's shutting off.
Stick is all the way down. Flat spin.
It just keeps going straight, but
you have to know what you're doing to get out of this. One more, and that should be enough. No, one more yet. Okay, there we go. Give him a hand, folks. Barrel roll to the right. Now I'm going to set you up for a 10 times the force of gravity, a 10G pull. This is what it looks like down on the deck, above the rudder, the inflated plastic pylons in the Red Bull air races. Here comes a pilot ready to pull it hard around the pylon. Strap in. Watch this. Here we go. That was 10 times the force of gravity, which by telemetry goes up to the judges in the judging stand, and if you pull it too hard, they dock you. That was a Red Bull turn that you see at the Red Bull air races as they compete against the clock. On this next pass, there will be a climbing, skidding climb to the right. I'll be quiet, you can make a video. Listen to the engine bark off of the hangar. I'm going to be quiet very soon, like right about now. Make a video. You ready? Listen to this.